Hi, did you order an Uber?
Yeah, I did.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, come on in. How's your day going?
Honestly, not that good. I'm gonna need a moment.
What's going on? Are you crying?
Yeah.
Wait, what happened? Why are you crying? Hey, you know what? I'm here for you. I'm your Uber driver therapist. It's like free therapy.
No, it's okay.
Tell me about it. What, you got broken up with or what? What's going on?
Worse.
You failed a math test? What's going on?
Worse.
I don't know. You stubbed your toe and it hurts.
I wish it was that.
Tell me, what's going on?
Oh my god, it's...
I don't have any napkins for you. I wish I could. Or a Kleenex or
It's
something.
something so unimaginable.
What? Tell me. You lost your job?
No, I can't even talk about it. I can't even talk about it.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to at least put on your seatbelt, cuz.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. What happened?
I just found out today that for the past year...
I can't hear you. Uncover your face. What's going on?
I just found out that my roommate for the past year, she's a tranny.
What? Your roommate is a tranny? Is it? Well, what's wrong with that?
That makes me so uncomfortable. She literally told me.
Did you walk in on her or something, or what?
No.
Is it a guy or a girl?
I don't know.
Well, did you see a bulge, or what happened?
I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to talk about it.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That
That's okay.
sounds... You mean, do you need help? Or what do you want? You
A
look...
restraining order?
A restraining order? Well, I can't help you there. I mean, is it a guy trying to be a... What's going on there?
I don't know.
Okay, well, what are we gonna do about it?
I don't know.
Okay, well, you gotta stop crying, okay? Because...
I'm sorry.
You know what? I'm sorry, I was trying to put up with you, but you're crying too much. I'm kicking you out of my car. Okay, you can walk.
I can't. I'm scared.
I don't know what's going on with your roommate,
They're gonna find me.
or whether or not there's any feelings involved, but...
I think they're in love with me. I'm scared. I can't. It's not safe.
All right, well, you
out
gotta
there.
deal with that yourself, okay?
It's not safe out there. Please don't.
I only take rides for people who are not criers, so...
Okay, I'll stop.
No, it's too late. I'm sorry. You're done. Can you get out?
No.
Get out!
No.
Get out of my car right now.
I'm literally crying. This is how you're gonna yell at me?
Who cares? People cry every day. People have real problems.
This is a real problem.
Yeah, you see what's going on in Israel right now? That's a real problem. Hello, for Uber?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's the name?
Do I really need to tell you that?
Yeah, it's for safety.
Haley.
Okay.
Can you turn the AC on, please?
Oh, funny story, my AC just broke because I,
Are you kidding me?
well, somebody crashed into me and I hit my, like, bumper and it kind
Oh
of...
my god, it's so hot in here.
Well, I'm trying to drive Uber to pay for new AC.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Can
Can you at least turn some good music on?
Okay, I know it's kind of funny, but, like, literally my radio also just broke.
Do you have an excuse for everything?
I'm an Uber driver. We literally make like $4 an hour. How am I supposed to buy all these luxury items
Okay,
for
I
you?
just need to get to my...
What, do you want to ask for candy and water bottles next?
Do you?
No. Are you serious?
I mean, if you're offering.
No, I'm not. I literally, my point is I can't afford that. And can you wear your seatbelt, please? Because
It's really uncomfortably hot back here, so I don't think I can.
well, it's the law. Can you put your seatbelt on,
Sure.
miss? Can you put it on?
Uh-huh, I
Okay.
did.
Okay, thank you.
Do you mind just speeding a little bit? I'm kind of in a rush.
I'm literally already going like 14 miles per hour and we're in like a 17 zone. So like I need to drive, I can't go that much faster.
Maybe like 20, 25?
No, I can't risk it because, you know, if I get a ticket, I have to pay for it. You want to pay for the ticket if I get pulled over?
No.
That's what I thought. You want to play the silent game?
No, it's fine. I'm just enjoying my ride back here.
Hey, what did you just do?
What do you mean?
Did you just end the ride?
No. What? No.
Wait, you just canceled? Why'd you cancel the ride?
I didn't cancel the ride. What are you talking about?
I have to pull over.
I don't even know how to do that. I didn't cancel the ride. I have to get there.
I don't know. You can. I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. Why did you do that?
It must have been a mistake on your end. I don't know. I didn't cancel the ride.
Well, yeah, mine's like I already got a new ride request. So, like, what do you want to do? Do you want to reorder me?
Can you just take me? Just like, it's right down the street. I just need to get to my destination.
I don't even have that address anymore. It's like 10-minute drive.
Here, I'll put it in my GPS.
I'm not driving for free. What are you talking?
Cash. I have cash.
We got to do it inside the app. Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Why are you trying to take advantage of me?
I mean, I'm trying to help you afford the candy and water bottles. Don't you need that?
Why? You just doing that just because I'm like, what? Just because I have a disability?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can't do that. I have ADHD. It's like I can't focus.
I'm so sorry. I had no idea.
I'm not putting up with this two-face thing. Like, I'm gonna drop you off at a gas station up here. You can walk.
Perfect. That's where I need to be.
Okay. Well.
Yes. I'll be right there. Yep, he's taking me for free. Yeah.
No, I'm not taking you. Get out. Get out and walk.
Just pick me up. This is ridiculous.
Get out.
I'm rating you 1 star.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I think you could go a little bit faster here and then slow down right up there by that tree.
Oh well, I'm just following GPS, so.
Right.
It says speed limit's 15.
I've been driving for like a really long time.
Okay. And?
Like I just got my permit like a few months ago, and like they tell us that like you don't have to listen to like the MPH signs. Like you can just like go.
It's like 15 miles per hour.
But you could go like probably like 30.
Okay, you know what? I'm trying to just drive and do my job. Like I'm literally a professional Uber driver.
I'm trying to help you.
Like this is my profession, and I would appreciate if you just respected that and let me drive.
This is my profession, helping humans better themselves.
What?
I'm trying to help you get better at this. Just speed up a little. Okay, no, slow down, slow down.
Okay, you gotta sit back. You're a little
Speed
too
up,
close.
Up.
Are you are you drinking or something?
No.
Okay, well, why are you like sitting like up so close?
Because I'm trying to like see
I
better.
can literally
so I can
smell
help
your
you.
breath. What are you eating?
How does it smell?
Like rice.
You can't smell rice.
Yeah, you can literally smell white rice.
Okay, you pull over here and then.
What?
No,
sit
no.
back. Sit back. Okay, can you just please?
Drive. Shut up. Drive. Okay, slow down.
No, this is a speed bump.
Can you roll down the window for a second? I think I know this kid.
Okay.
Never mind, I don't know. Why are you looking? He's not your friend, he's mine.
I don't know. I thought it was danger.
You keep going.
Okay, you're gonna have to sit back because you're like literally a backseat driver.
But then I can't see as well.
You know what? We're not doing this the way you've been doing this
Can
for
I
17.
buckle in?
We've been doing this for 17 minutes. I'm gonna let you out. Okay? You can.
She's just trying to help.
She's clearly not helping.
You just drive far, huh?
There's no way you're siding with her. I'm the driver, and I'm an Uber driver.
Get in the back, I'll drive.
Have you seen I've done 17,000 trips, okay? I'm a 5-star driver. I think I know what I'm doing.
Just let me drive, I got you. I'm really good at driving Nissan Altima.
We can drop you here, we'll come back.
Do you even have a license?
I have a permit.
Oh my god, you don't even know how to drive! Get out!
No, I passed.
You're literally out. I've seen you on Fresh and Fit. You make no sense ever. Get out. Okay, can you please just get out of my car?
Can you get in the back seat and I'll drive?
You don't even you barely have a permit. You don't even know how to drive properly.
Yeah, I do.
Can you just get out?
I'm trying to learn more. Just let me learn. This is me learning. They said to be like an attentive passenger.
I'm done. You're done.
I'm a passenger princess.
You're done, and I've seen you on the Whatever podcast.
I did great there.
You're
and I'm
literally
doing great here too. So get in the back seat and let me win this like I won that podcast.
What's your name?
Farha?
I thought your name was Mia Khalifa. Get out.
Yeah, you wish. Okay, let me get in here.
Get in where?
You're
front already seat. In.
But I want to drive. I'm trying to get better. I need more hours for my license.
What's your IQ level?
Like 250.
Oh, what? What are you, Dr. Einstein?
I don't think he's a doctor.
He is, and he invented the light bulb. Okay, now get out.
Can I just drive?
You think Einstein invented the light bulb?
I need to learn, and nobody.
And
will
you're
teach
smarter
me.
than him?
Nobody will teach me how to drive.
I'm not teaching you.
Why? I don't have any friends.
Because I'm getting paid to drive you.
I'll pay you double. Maybe not double, but like I'll 1x it.